So we are going to start a new topic which is nothing but batch job. So background job, it is also called as background job. So if you are new to my channel, you can subscribe. And my YouTube channel is Abdul. And my email address is spromm750 at the rate gmail.com. spromm750 at gmail.com. Okay. So, what is batch job and how in real time, this will get affected? So, for this background job, we need to do some, settings like as we are using the T code SM36 and SM37. But before going to SM36 and SM37, what we are doing is we are first trying to create the material master, okay, with MM01 transition code. So, MM01 with MM01 T code and we create some material. Let's say for example I'm taking ROH and click odd level button. Okay. So let's say we can take 3000 plant and storage location 0001. Okay. So here I'm writing like batch job testing. Okay. We can take base unit of measure like kilogram and material group as anything. And in purchasing view, this is important. Like this, okay, this is showing as mandatory. This auto PO, okay. You need to select this checkbox. In purchasing view, they may ask in interview, in Material Master, what you do for automatic purchase order, okay. So this auto PO, you need to select this checkbox. And then in accounting one, as usual, we take this valuation class 3000 and everything is okay, right. Now note down this material number. What is this? 1503. Now create the vendor master with XK01, which is centrally where purchasing and accounting group department comes into picture. Okay, so same I'm giving this in company for 3000 and purchase of, okay. Select account group, click enter. Now batch job. Okay, so batch job country India, region you can put anything like 01 Andhra Pradesh, okay. And reconciliation of trade payables and cash management group A1 domestic, okay. And order currency Indian rupees, and here in vendor master automatic purchase order is there. You need to select the checkbox automatic purchase order, okay. Enter and save it. So note down this vendor number 100241 has been created for company for 3000 purchase or 3000, okay. And now you create the info record, information record, okay, with M11 T code. Go to M11 and view the vendor which we have created just now and view the material which we have created just now, purchase or plant, okay. And it should be standard, right. Click enter. Plant delivery standard quantity you can take with 100, net price 100, right. So click enter, save it. So before saving, what I will do is also take tax code. tax exempt, whatever it is. So this info record is created. Okay, purchasing info record 5300005752. Info record is created. Now you need to create the source list. So with ME01 T code, ME01 source list. Okay. So with the combination of material and plant, and you need to click this generate button. Okay, this is generate button. So it will take you to valid from and valid to date. Okay. So let's say this is coming by default. Let it be the same thing. And now you save this. Okay, that's it. Nothing else to do here. Okay, source list is created. Now what you need to do is you need to create one purchase requisition. So in real time, what will happen? Lot of PR, through MRP or a lot of PR will comes into picture. Purchase requisition will get created whenever there is a decrease in stock. Automatically, PR will get created if you do MRP setting, right? So let's say like hundreds of purchase requisition in real time will get created. So to save time, manual intervention to reduce the manual intervention. If your batch job is running in the background, then automatically this PR will get converted into PO. So that is what the scenario here is. Okay, so now let's say for example, I'm manually creating one PR because MRP I'm not running right now. So ME51 and transaction code, right, to create the PR. So go here and give the material. What is the material number? 150 okay. And quantity, let's say I'm taking 10. Give this mandatory fields 3000. Plant store location 0001. Okay. And purchase group, you can give anything because purchase group is a separate individual entity. It is not assigned to any enterprise structure. Okay, so you can give anything purchase group and click enter. It will take you to valuation price. Okay, in valuation tab you give, let's say 10. Click enter. And see here in source of supply. So here what you need to do is the source determination tab is there. You need to select this because we have created source list. Whenever you create source list, source determination tab should be selected. Okay. And just make sure in source of supply, this will come by default. So fixed vendor and info record, why this is not coming? Okay, if it is not coming, just click this assign source of supply. See here. So fixed vendor and info record. This is what, right? Check this info record number 575, right? Yeah, and the purchaser. Okay. And now save this PR. So note down this purchase requisition number 10013,572. Okay. Now what you need to do is you need to go to this transaction code MA59M. What is this? This is automatic creation of purchase order from purchase requisition. Okay. So here purchase organization and fixed vendor and plant comes in by default. Okay. We are not doing anything here. Okay. So this is coming by default purchase or fixed vendor. And why this is fixed vendor? Because in source list we have maintained this, right? This is the vendor who is going to provide the material for us. Now what you need to do, this is everything, don't do anything here. New purchase order per company code per contract, let it be the same. Okay, and other parameters, set purchase equation to close, let it be one. Don't do any changes here. And if you go down, okay, so you just see these things. So here what you do, now you need to save this. Okay, once saving this, it will redirect you to another screen where you need to create the variant name. Let's say I'm creating a new separate variant name. Let's say like batch job underscore PO. Okay, this is my variant name. So what exactly I'm going to do with this variant name? So automatic PR to PO. You can give this meaning. Now I'm saving this. Okay. So don't do anything here. This is a purchase group. This checkbox is there. Don't do anything here. Okay. Don't do anything here, and just save it. So once you save this, you are getting this information. Variant batch job underscore PO saved. Okay. Now we need to check the program name. So how to check the program name? You just go here in system. Okay. You just write this variant. So we have created the variant, right? What is the variant name? Batch job underscore PO. Variant name, right? Variant name. Shakir and Yunus. You have noted down, right? So batch job underscore PO. This is the variant which we have created using ME59 and P4. Okay. Now what we need to do is to check the program. You go to system, okay, and go to status. Here, in SAP data, we got the program name. So note down this program name. What is this? RM06 BB30, right? This is the program name. RM06 BB30. Okay. Yeah. Now, what to do? Now you go to uh, what keyboard that is? SM36. Yeah. Go to SM36 transition code. And here I am giving job name like a batch job. Okay, this is my job name. Job name and variant name both are different. Okay, so I'm giving this, and see job class, actually we have status like high priority, middle priority, low priority. Okay, so I'm giving low priority. High priority, if I select this A, what will happen? It will give whatever in the background, say let's say some other process is going on, so it will give that priority for A, and then it goes to another, let's say for, yeah, B. So mid priority, so let's say this is by default coming as C. Let it be C only, and status is going to get scheduled now. Okay, so if you click this pool list recipient, it will redirect you to SBWPT code in SAP, for end user, you know, inbox in SBWP, SAP Business Workplace, spool list recipient. Okay, if you click this, then it will go to SBWP T code. You can check there also. Now, what you need to do is you just we have created this badge job name, and this is coming by default. Okay, now click this step button. Okay, so here in ABAP program, we need to give the program name. What is the program name? No, no. RM06 BB30. Okay. And what is the variance here? Whenever we are creating the variant with ME59N, then that variant, if you open this drop down, that will come into picture. Okay. Batch of underscore PO. Select from drop down. Okay. This is what we have created, right? Now, what you need to do is check and save. First check and then save. So here's the program name. This one, and program type ABAP. Okay, and spool list, nothing is there. Parameters batch job underscore PO. What is this? Variant name, right? User in real time, like here we are doing in demo version, but in real time the name and user, who is going to process the batch job, his name will be coming into picture. Okay, so now go back, right, and now click. See, if you see here, one step successfully defined. Okay, if you save this, batch job state save with status scheduled. So we need to understand status also. There are so many status. I'll show you. See here, status schedule is there, and we have active and we have completed. If the status is completed, then it means the batch job is running in the background and the PR is converted to PO. Okay, if the status is completed, if we are getting, but that that will happen in SM37. So right now we are here, batch batch job service status schedule. Okay, this is what we have scheduled. Okay, now what we do, we just click now start condition. Okay, so if we click this start condition, the again the status will be released. Is will be showing as release. Okay, so now I'm clicking this start condition. So here see, if you need to convert the PR into PO immediately, then you need to select this immediate button, or else according as per the business requirement, if you want date and time, just click this schedule. When you want to going to schedule this batch job, okay, you can give the date also. Okay, and then periodic job, if you select this, then what will happen, if you click this period values, you need to convert the PR into PO hourly basis or daily, weekly, monthly, other period. If you click other period, then you can give month, week, days, hours, or even minutes. Let's say 3 minutes. So every 2 minutes, the system will check if any purchase requisition is there in your SAP. Okay, and if that is there, then every 2 minutes the background job will run automatically. Okay, so what will happen? Whatever POs are there, okay, that within 2 minutes the POs PR will be converted to PO. So this you can maintain like 5 minutes, 2 minutes. Okay. So as of now, I'm not going here because we are practicing in demo version. Okay. So here what I'm doing is we will check. We will close this. Okay. We'll just click this immediate. Okay. Immediate start. Okay, so now click check button and save it. Okay, and you save this. So now see here the status got changed. So earlier what was the schedule? Understand? So in SM36 you need to first to click this step and then you click this start condition. So once you click this step, the status will be as schedule, and then once you click the start condition, the status will be released. Okay. Okay now. Then you go to SM37 key code. SM37 transition code. Okay, before this, we need to check if the purchase requisition is having release strategy, is subject to release strategy or not. Because let's say, for example, when the background job will get failed. Let's say, for example, the user has created the PR and that PR is not released by the respective concerned person. Okay, in that case also the bad job will get failed. Okay, so what are the scenarios where the bad job will fail? So most probably we need to check while analyzing, because these type of tickets will be coming into picture. Most of the tickets will be coming if you are working in real time. So these tickets will come. So the user will just take the screenshot and he will say that my bad job is failed, so the PR is not converting to PO. Okay, so we need to check the log why this is not converting. So we will come to know that the user has created the PR, but that is not released. This is one issue. Another is source list is not maintained, or else info record is not maintained, right? And in material master, in purchasing view, auto PO checkbox is not selected. This is also one of the reason. And also in vendor master, automatic PO in purchasing data, that is not maintained. So we need to check these all scenarios. Then we come to know the the because of this issue, the PR is not going to convert to PO in batch job. Okay. So here let's say we have created, right, the PR. So now how to release the PR? What is the T code? ME54N. Because we have done the configuration for release strategy also, right? I have shown you release strategy, item level, and header level. So here, see, this is the PR, right? See, bad job testing, right? So here item level already in our earlier class we have configured this release strategy. So because the status is blocked, right? If the status is blocked and you are running the batch job, then what will happen? It will not convert the PR into PO automatic, right? Through batch job process. So here, because since the status is blocked, because this is not released, now I am going to release this. This is item release. Double click this. So if this release strategy is not there, then don't worry. Okay. So it is eligible for RFQ and purchase order, right? So this PR is going to convert into PO. Now we are eligible. This is one of the prerequisites also, right? Okay, so now I'm going to SM37 equals simple job selection. So what I will do is I'll do job name. What is that? That job. Okay, so anyhow, whoever user is going to create the username will come into default, right? And now job status, you can pick this schedule also. See here, these are the status. They may ask interview what is schedule. So how we are scheduling with SM36, right? And release also same. But the thing is that in SM36 start condition we are clicking that button, right? And ready. That means it is now ready for conversion. Active. If the status is active, then it is under process. In the background, it is running. So in this, whenever the status is active, you cannot do any changes. Okay. One thing you need to remember: if the status is active, you cannot do any changes because it is running in the background. Okay. Finish means PR is converted to PO. Cancel means let's say for example the user is having issue and he has cancelled, and again we have, because we have shown some technicalities, we have shown him that directly we can approach the user, okay, via screen sharing, and he came to know that this is the issue and he has cancelled the bad job. In that situation it will go to cancel. So let's see job start condition, because today's date is there. Now what you need to do, just execute this. So job overview from so and so to so and so date. Selected job name, batch job. Selected username, right? And this is there. Now see here, schedule and finished. Finish means now you do check this checkbox and click this job log button. See, no suitable purchase requisition form. That means here we are getting the message number. See here, message number is ME261. You can directly go to Google and you can search it out. There are possibilities, as I told you, once creating the PR, at that time we need to release the PR, but in middle we have released. That is also one of the reason maybe for which PR is not converted. So what I will do, I will try to create another PR. Okay, I'll try to create another PR. ME51N material. What is the material number? 1503. Quantity 10, plant 3000, store location 0001, purchase group 000, right? And validation you can do anything, let's say this one. And source of supply, okay. Uh, assign source of supply, okay. This is which vendor, info record is there, right? And I'm saving this. So this is the PR number 100135573. Now I will release this. Okay. Yeah, with MA54 NT code. This is the PR number, right? And review strategy, I'm releasing this. Okay, the status is release indicator is showing as purchase order and saving this. Okay, now again, I'm going to ME 59 empty code, right? So this will come by default fixed vendor, and we need to save this. So variant name, let's say batch job underscore PO1. I'll give another one. Okay, automatic PR to PO. Save this. Variant batch job underscore PO1. Okay, note down this number. And then what to do next? Tell me. Yeah, tell me. Hmm? Yeah, go to SN36. So I'm giving job name as batch job. Okay, batch job 1. Yeah, click enter. And then it will ask the name. We need to give the program name and variant. What we have created. We open this drop down. We have created this, right? Check and save. So you got this one. Go back. Okay, save it. So batch job, save is status schedule. Okay, now again click start condition button. Immediate we need, right? No, periodic check इसके लिए check करना पड़ता है date and time. If you select this, then you need to select this. Okay, so just click immediate. Okay, and click this immediate, check and save. Okay, and then again save this. So now we got the status as release, right? Okay, then what you need to do? Go to SM37 and job name. What is that? Batch job 1, right? And release. Okay, let it be the same thing. Execute. Okay, select this checkbox. Refresh. Okay, and click job log button. See, we got this issue. Posting in foreign currency not allowed for external tax system. Yeah, this is one of the issue. So we have maintained tax code, right? So this is foreign currency also tax system. So some issue is there. So this is how in real time this type of issues will be coming. So what the end user will do? He will take the screenshot, okay, and he will raise a ticket. You can say this is high critical ticket, high priority ticket. So in interview they may ask which kind of critical tickets you resolve. You can give this best example. Okay. So here see we are getting this issue. So you can just search message number FS. This is anyhow FICO error. So the FICO guy will do this. But spool request here standard PO. Yeah, but standard PO is converted created. But we got some other issue in the system, but we have created standard PO is created 4500172221. So note down this number. Okay, and spool request number sent to SAP printer and job finish. So here see we got this the PO is created based upon our PR. So 4500172221. But other issues are there. Okay, so this will be taken care by FICO guide. So you can tell we got last week, we got a critical issue where the user has created the badge job and issue was posting in foreign currency not allowed for external tax system. So we all consultants, we made a conference call and we connected together all the functional consultant as well as the technical ABAPer as well as basis because if any bug issue is there, then bug fixing system is taken care by ABAPer, right? Technical person. So we came to know that this is the issue where my FICO colleague, he has resolved this issue. You can tell like this, but you just remember one thing: critical ticket means it is impacting the whole country, and this is where the PO is not generating, and that is not creating to next level. GR is not received, and the invoice is not paid. So it is a huge impact. This is impacting your whole country wise. This is the criticality. So it doesn't mean that critical tickets will be only for MM. It may be for anyone. That is what. So whenever critical tickets are coming, then in this case maybe it will the issue is related to FICO, right? In this scenario, this is FICO issue, right? This is not MM part. MM is there. So here in our area, we are perfect, because PR got converted to PO. So this is not our issue, right? But we came to know at last this is the issue where my colleague has resolved. You just tell it like this, okay? Or else you can do another. You can tell the interviewer that PO was unable to create. Okay, the PR was not converting to PO. And so I then what I have done is first I check the pre-release condition. In Material Master I have checked in MM03 display material, and in purchasing view whether the user has selected auto PO or not. Okay, and then again I went to SK03 display vendor, and I check auto PO is there in purchasing data. Okay, and then again I check that info record is maintained or not, and again I check the source list is maintained properly or not, right? And then I check the release strategy for the PR is released or not. Okay, then I realized that release strategy was not triggered, okay, by the user. This is the issue, and then I confirm the user to release, okay, the PR. So the user has released the PR, and then they reprocess again, okay, by cancelling this job by job, and then the bad job in the background got created, and where the PR got converted to PO. In your case, in SAP MM, if issue is there, then you can tell this in critical ticket. Okay, critical issue, that is called as P1 ticket. You understood, right? Now we can check, whether this PR is converted to PO. So what I am doing is I am going to ME. No, ME 23. I just see this PO is there or not. Go to other purchase order. What is the PO number? Tell me. Ah, ah, double two one. See, this is batch job vendor, right? Batch job testing. This is there. You understand? So here we have taken two line item, right? Yeah, two line item because it's item level, na release strategy. Anyhow, this is what is there, right? The PO got the PR got converted to PO, and you can even check the PR number here. See here, if you go here, this is the purchase equation number. This is info record, and this is purchase equation number. Okay, and another PR is there for separate line item. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, so another PR is there no, for separate line item. So for this also, what you need to do, you first release this, right? Because we have not released this. But anyhow, this is there. And then as usual, what you do, you pass the GR with MyGo code and pass the IR. Yeah, yeah, yeah. But right, as of now, this is not released, na? Only this one got released, right? So this is not released, right? If we check this is not released. So we can just check in the PR. ME, ME 52 N, right? ME 52 N edit. Yeah, only one is there, na? strategy, only one is there. So why the last one is also today? Uh, 23 and batch of testing, right? Okay. Because we have created two, no? We have created two here. Yeah, that is what the reason. Okay. We have created two here. Okay. So any doubt? So batch job is very important. So batch job and batch management both are different. Don't get confused. Batch management means that is a separate topic, right? It is basically used in the chemical industry. It also batch management with classification. If you go with the classification, first you create the characteristic with CT04, right? Color, viscosity, okay, and you again assign the characteristic to a class with CL02, and again you create the material by selecting the batch, okay, view, and then in purchasing, you need to select the batch management, right? Checkbox, just like auto PO we have selected for batch. So don't get confused. Batch job is separate topic and batch management is separate. Okay. So any doubt? Okay then. So I'm going to start the class.